Hey, Chris Menard here. Let's take a look at the if-error function in Excel. On this worksheet, I have a list of candy bars, their totals, the unit price. So I want to figure out what was the number of units sold. I'm going to do equal B7 divided by C7. This is just simply a formula. Could do this with a calculator, could do this with my smartphone. There are the number of units sold. I do have a little note here. I have already made these a comma style and lost the two decimals. Crosshairs and double click, and here comes the error message. Right here, you can see this running through here. I do not want those error messages. So I'm going to go back here and edit this function with a double click. And I'm going to say equal IFERROR open parenthesis. You still put in what you would normally do right here, which is still B7 divided by C7. That's why I didn't get rid of it. But the second argument here is what happens if you get an error message. I can either do blank, but I actually want to say something. And I'm going to put unit price missing, because that is the issue with this. Crosshairs, double click, widen this a little bit, and there is our unit price missing right there. Great function, use it all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe and ring the bell. This is part of my Excel training course that is online. Thank you.